To create a Bongo video assignment, go to your course and just as you would, go to your content. In the content, in one of the modules, click on Add Existing Activities and create a video assignment, which will bring you to a table of all the assignments, but if you click the second button, you can create a new group assignment. You can give your activity a name for start and then a due date for the activity. You can choose the date here and then of course determine a specific hour for the due date, which you can change by clicking on the numbers and then click on minutes and then change the minutes in AM, PM and then press OK. You can also change the way your assignment is graded, which can be a peer review through a rubric, or it can be a pass or fail. For this one, I will use percentage. Then I will add a video instruction by clicking here. You may also use a text instruction, by the way. For the video instruction, I can either upload a video or record a new video and turn on my camera and screen at the same time if I want. I can also choose it from a previous Bongo video instruction that I created earlier. I will go ahead and record a video with camera and screen on. If you're recording for the first time, it's going to ask you to allow a couple of permissions for Bongo from your computer. And for which section of your screen to be recorded, you can choose the entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. Once you press share, it will start activating the recorder. The recorder gets activated after you choose which devices to be used. For example, I have multiple microphones on my computer, that's why I should choose. And then as soon as you start saying something, Bongo detects your voice and brings a record button. Click this button and then you will be recording yourself and your screen. At the end, you can delete the recording, you can download it, or you can save it to the activity. I will click, and this way the instructions will be embedded into the assignment. Give it a couple minutes and then it will be uploaded. In the meantime, I can also add written instructions here. I'm going to write something like, please watch the video for instructions, since I already have a video instruction. Scroll down to group options and you will see that the groups can be created in three different ways, either by the instructors or the learners themselves, or automatically by Bongo. You can proceed with any of the options. You can set the number of groups to be created here. Down below, you will also see team evaluation. This is for when you want your students to grade each other. And there's disabled, 5-star, and the rubric option. And if you don't know how to create a rubric, there is a different video tutorial for that in our knowledge base. And finally, there's the peer review mode, which will enable your students to see each other's work and review it. When you click Save, your group assignment will be created. But of course, that's not enough. We will still need to create our groups because I'm going to choose this option, which will let the instructor determine their own student groups and do it manually. Once you click on Save, you will see a list of activities that you created in the past, including the one that you have just created. I'm going to click on it, which will add this assignment to the topic or the module under here, and you can see it's under Quiz. So if you click on the arrow here, you can view topic, and once you do that, it will actually bring you inside the assignment, which will also show a warning that you had selected that you wanted to create your groups but haven't created it yet. Click on Manage Groups and it will bring you to the interface where you can create, modify, or delete groups. First, create a group by clicking here, and then on the left side from the list, choose the students to be added to the group and click on Add. This way, the 2 students will be added to this group. I'm sorry that all my students have actually the same name, but you can be sure that the ones that you click will go to the group that you decide. If you accidentally add a student to a wrong group, you can always remove them by clicking the cross sign and then add them back. You can also edit the name of the groups. For example, for this group, I'm going to write group watermelon. And then for the second group, I'm gonna add another name, group, I don't know, carrots. This way, each group will have its own names. You can also clear members, which will reset the students that are added in the group, or you can delete a group entirely, or you can randomly distribute learners, which is basically the same way when the system automatically creates the groups, or you can copy a group structure from a previous activity that you held a month ago, and if you want to use the same groups, you can click copy and the same groups will be created. Once you're done, click on save and your group formation process is ready. You can go back to the overview table and see each groups and each students along with their progress. Thank you for watching this video.